Section 1, Unit 5, The Mystery of a Giant Planet. Researcher proposed new planet Tyche on distant fringe of solar system. In November 2010, the scientific journal Icarus published a paper by John Matsy and Daniel Whitemeyer. They proposed the existence of a binary companion to our Sun larger than Jupiter in the long hypothesized Odd, there's a giant planet right here hiding in our solar system. Nobody has ever seen, even while it is 4 times larger than Jupiter. At least that's what two astrocytists say. The scientists are John Matsy and Daniel Whitemeyer from the University of Louisiana and Lafayette. According to them, the Colossus is hiding in the Oort cloud. They claim that data already captured by NASA's Wide Field Infrared Survey Explorer WISE is a NASA mission launched in December 2009. WISE proves its existence. It only needs to be analyzed over the next 2 years. The researchers use the name Tyche for the hypothetical planet. Matsy and Whitemeyer are convinced that Tyche is very real now. However, it is 15,000 times farther from the Sun than Earth. Tyche would be made mostly of hydrogen and helium. The Titanic planet would orbit Sun with moons and rings around it, bubbling with clouds and storm systems similar to Jupiter. It would even have a mild temperature ranging between -73 degrees Celsius to -99.5 degrees Fahrenheit as compared to the asteroid around it, which are almost near absolute zero. Whitemeyer says that the temperature difference is because of Titan of this size takes a long time to cool off after its formation. Whitemeyer and Matsy speculate that Tyche's orbit would lie at approximately 500 times Neptune's distance from the Sun, a little less than 1/4 of a light year. They speculate that hypothesized planet could be up to 4 times the mass of Jupiter. Tyche means fortune or luck in Greek. It was the Greek goddess of fortune and prosperity. The name was chosen to avoid confusion with an earlier similar hypothesis that the Sun has a dim companion named Nemesis, whose gravity triggers influxes of comets into the inner solar system, leading to mass extinctions on Earth. Tyche was the name of the good sister of Nemesis. The name here is completely appropriate, as those familiar with Greek mythology would recall that Nemesis is the goddess of retribution. Would Tyche be the 9th planet of our solar system after Pluto's demise? This question is yet to be answered when its existence will finally be confirmed. Astronomers theorized that Tyche could be a planet born in another star system and captured by ours. Analysis over the next couple of years will be needed to determine if WISE has actually detected such a world or not. It is likely but a not foregone conclusion that WISE could confirm whether or not Tyche exists, since WISE surveyed that whole sky once, then covered the entire sky again in 2 of its infrared bands 6 months later. WISE would see a change in the apparent position of a large planet body in the Oort cloud over the 6-month period. The 2 bands used in the second sky coverage were designed to identify very small cold star or brown dwarfs, which are much like planets larger than Jupiter, as Tyche is hypothesized to be. It is taking much time to decide the existence of a planet in our solar system. Tyche would be too cold and faint for a visible light telescope to identify. Sensitive infrared telescopes could pick up the glow from such an object if they look in the right direction. WISE is a sensitive infrared telescope that looks in all directions. The new study is definitely an extremely careful analysis of cometary orbits that shows interesting hints of something at play. However, the evidence for a new planet is not very strong, and the scientists are unable to pinpoint where the sky Tyche is. At the close of an interview, Ned Right of Wise summed up the current situation in one sentence. No, we have not found a new planet. But whatever classification it gets, it's exciting to think that there may be a new neighbor just around the corner.